Good morning, everybody. So let's get right to it. Let's start our Monday hunt. How everybody doing? Good day. Frederick, Peter Ban, Jonathan, Dave. Whatever your name is, I think this is Indian, but I can't read the Indian letter. Good morning, brother. Okay, we got many stocks to watch. Let's wait everybody to come, and then we get right to it and check our stock screener for today. We got some follow-up stocks from the last week. We got many stocks we have to watch for today, like this one, GRRRR. This one is still holding the gain. Last Friday we did 124%. We still holding the first support. Now pre-market 8%. The next one we got double T double O. This one is still holding the support and pumping 21% in the pre-market. Already discussed it in our power hour on Friday. We have this breakout zone today. However, we spotted this potential break back on Friday before the market closed. And now we broke and we went for a new high. CRBU looking interesting. BBIG going down 9%. It's preparing for something. We have a bit of lag forming here. Price is finding a bit of support before a continuation up. This is normal because some people taking profit. You see here we have a huge pump. This is a correction. Then we wait for another pump once again like this. This would be good. VROM still continue to go up. PRTYQ, yeah, still holding the gain. We just checking everything, so we don't have to miss any stock. MULN, we close on market on Friday 13%, and now 3% down. Right, doing all right, 2%. Mara, we have unusual selling pressure on Friday. Yeah, we did a huge pump, but we give all the profit away. This was unusual here, because usually when pump, Mara pump as well. Peter Ban, HELE, exactly. It was really great hunt on Friday before the market closed. We said this is an earn and play. Now I think it's jumping 10% in pre-market. Good morning, LF Williams. Good morning. Amjad, good morning. How everybody doing? Hopefully have a nice weekend and ready to hunt with us for this week. Last week we saw a return for many meme stocks. We saw a huge return for PRTYQ, a huge return for BBIG, huge return for MULN. So we have to check if we're gonna have a continuation. Raven doing all right, 2% in the pre-market. We'll see if we have a test over this channel to have a continuation. Okay, some of you said my voice is breaking. Let me check if everything alright. If you can hear me alright, let me know. Because IFER or FR, he said my voice breaking. Great. Okay, now it sounds good. This is good. Interesting. So, guys, we have to speak about one of the stock that we talked about before. The swing trade that we spoke about on Friday. We have some stock to watch. One of the stock that we talk about on the power hour before the market close, this one, HELE. We hunted for this stock on power hour. We have great earnings. If you remember, guys, we did power hour before the market close, and we hunted for this stock before the market close. Here we talk about this support. We said we have earning coming up, and we watch this stock, and we already entered for this stock on Friday before the market close, and we said the profit taken should be around the 125, yes, around this area. It was a really great hunt because we expect the price to hold over the $1.10. We're gonna have a reversal, go toward the $1.25, and the price actually went there. So now we actually expecting the price to go toward the 148. 148 should be the profit taken for this stock. Okay. Wait a second, let me just check something. I think I'm gonna check. Again. Let me just check again. Always happen. Anyway, so as we spoke about it, this stock before on our Friday hunt on our power hour, it was really great hunt. As we discussed, we already entered for this stock before the market close around 112, I think, yeah, 112.42. And the price now is jumping 12%. Yeah, 12% in pre-market. Doing all right. So this one was a great hunt for us on the pre-market, or before the market close on the power hour. Now it's doing 12%. We expect a continuation because the first profit taking hit, and now we expect a continuation for another pump. Good morning, Luis, Roberto. How everybody doing? Yeah, so first stock we watch from the last hunt, as we said, is HELE. We hunted in after hours or before the market closed on Friday. Now it's jumping because we got great earnings, 15% suppress. And the other stock that we watching, like GRRR, still holding the support. We might have something if we broke this resistance around the 570. 570, yes. TTOO already pumped in the pre-market. We faced with the massive rejection around the 1775. We'll check other stock. CRBU doing all right. BBIG is still slow in the pre-market. Let me just check if we got some gainers here. We got this one, Jupiter Wellness. Interesting name, but not interesting short. The short is kind of floppy here. Let's see if we're gonna have a continuation until here at least. Maybe if we have some power to kick some more, we might have almost the two, but this one is pretty volatile here, so we need some cushion here. Let me just check if we got some support. Yeah, we'll see this one. We might have a continuation for, which is GUPW. Spotted this on our stock screener. After this ALPP, one of you asked about this one. Yeah, this one I took it from the list because the resistance is a bit far. I will put it there then, around the 2, and lower the other profit taken here. Yeah, this one is tricky. Already have a reverse split. Stock has been diluted already. So I don't like this one because we're still below the resistance. Yeah, this one is interesting. SYTA. This one look good play for today with NBTX. One of the new IPO last week, PWM. We'll watch this one as well. Yeah, we forget Nikola. We have to talk about Nikola and see what's going on. Yeah, Nikola got rejected the fourth time around our resistance. Now let me just bring GRRR down to the list of unicorns, and the other one, TTTO. See, RBU today doing all right. We might have a continuation. CVNA is about to test and break this current resistance. Yeah, look nice for entry. I might have an entry for this play, man. Might be a good entry on the market open. Let me just check how much we could risk here. 2%, and we might have really good kick for CVNA. Okay, perfect. Again, we got some question for the new hunters. We got some kind of many people can't connect Patreon with Discord. It's really simple. However, if you can't see the swing trade and the day trade, is mean either two problem. Either if you are on the first level of levels, because we have 4 levels. If you are on the first level, the hunter, you can actually see the day trade and swing trade, because this is alert chart analysis that we do especially for the discipline hunter and above. So if you can see those channels and you join to our Patreon and you wonder why you can see those channels, it means you have to upgrade. So we already got question here from one of our hunter. He said I can see the swing trade and the other channel here. So now we're gonna solve the problem. I will see if he in discipline hunter or above, it means he didn't connect correctly Patreon to Discord, and we can fix that. If he on the discipline hunter, is mean he have to upgrade. So we're gonna fix that later, but today or now we have to watch for the market. Okay, so anyway, as we said before, if you just came here, the stock that we watching, we have here the unicorn stocks, and we have just one stock on the list of unicorn earning stocks, which is HELE, jumping 12% in the pre-market right now. And we already hunted for this stock last Friday in Power Hour. It was a great hunt on our Hunter channel when we spotted this trade on our Power Hour here on Friday, because we always do a Power Hour hunt here. And one of the stock that actually was really good hunt, because we expecting a pump on Monday, so we kind of suggest our hunter to watch for this stock, and we said the 125 should be the profit taken. And it was really good hunt because we entered around the 112. Yeah, in the pre-market right now, yeah, 11%. So I will be ready to take profit on this trade or swing trade that we did on Friday on the Power Hour, which we always do on our Patreon each Friday before the market close, to hunt for swing trade. We hunt for day trade. We hunt for crypto, everything before the market close. So yeah, this one, the first trade that we have to close because we hit the first profit taken, and we're gonna take a bit of profit, then I will let the other one go. The other stock that we have to watch is CVNA, because it's about to break the 2982. So this one is should be on our list. Raven still doing alright because it's still bouncing and still holding the support, doing 3% in the pre-market. Nikola looking good for a squeeze for today. So we have many stocks that about to squeeze, and we got just 3 minutes left, so we have to decide fast. OPRA looking good as well. Coin looking good. And PWM, this new IPO, is really risky but looking good as well, because we have support. A new pumper or a new unicorn for today is UN or NPTX, and we got SYTA, GRRR. Maybe we might have a continuation. Last Friday we have 124% up. And this one, Jupiter, I think it's going to Jupiter, this one, going to the another planet, because it's pumping 102 in pre-market. So Jupiter maybe would be the kicker or unicorn for today. Yeah, we might have a unicorn here. We might have a test toward the 96 for a rejection. We'll check for a continuation for this stock. Yes, this one looking good toward the 96. Jupiter, Jupiter, Jupiter. Okay, who's ready, guys? Who's ready? I'll put Jupiter first. CRBU is a bit weak. I'll put this down here. SYTA maybe in BTX. I'll put it here. Yeah, CVNA is about to kick here, 29.82. So who's ready, guys? Who's ready? Hit the like button on the way and show some love. Remember that we are trading the market here on YouTube. There's a bit of delay, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence, and of course, it's not a financial advice when I enter any trade. So do your own due diligence and let the price come to you, and never run after the price. And let's have a green day for today. And the market is open. Let's go. CVNA is pulling back. Let's see. Jupiter is pumping. This one is pumping. And this one is pumping as well. 16%. Whoa. HELE 16%. This one, man, this is crazy. I'm gonna take profit before pullback for this stock. Let me just check how much we did here on this trade. Let me just take profit. Yeah, 18% already. 133 right now. This is a good swing trade, my brothers and sisters. This one, what a crazy trade, man. Okay, I'm gonna take profit, almost 20% on this trade. Really good. I'm gonna take profit before I pull back. Okay, exit from this trade. Now let's see another trade. Let's see Jupiter. Let's see if we're gonna have an entry for this one. GUBW. Perfect. This one is still holding and still kicking. Yeah, this one is still kicking. I think it will be a top gainer for today. The other one is everything's pulling back except Jupiter. CVNA is pulling back. Raven is pulling back hard as well. We have a pullback for the market. Nikola is pulling back. HELE, we already took profit on this one, 18% up. And yeah, this one's pulling back a bit. So I'm gonna give time for the market because the market is pulling back, guys. We already took profit on this one, a really good profit, 20%, and we exited before a pullback. So we expect a bit of pullback even for HELE for having a test here before a continuation up. So we don't want to risk losing any profit. So 20% is good for today. Swing trade from last Friday, as we said here, we entered on the power hour. We entered around the 110. Now we took profit over the 125 and our power hour hunt swing trade. Now we have to watch out for another hunt for today. However, I'm gonna give the market a bit of time to decide, because now we have a huge pullback for all stocks that have been pumping in pre-market. You see CVNA is not good because we waited for a breakout. We didn't have the breakout, we have a sell-off, so it's not good to enter. We might enter for CVNA if we held over the 27, because now we broke those supports, so I'll give it time. PWM, I will sell or short this stock if we broke the 1395. Now is not good to enter. Now is time to short for many stocks. However, SYTA looking good as well for long position. CRBU still looking good. TTOO, yes, maybe TTOO. We enter for TTOO. Quick trade. Let me just check if we can enter here. Let me just check if we have a strength here. I don't know, I don't trust this one, man. We might have a pullback here, 1533. What's gonna happen here? Yeah, pullback here. Tricky. I don't want to enter here, man. You know, I don't have a trust here for this stock. Jupiter pulled back, of course. I will give it time as well for this one to have a bit of support or a pullback. Let me just put the pullback support here, and the first one is there. Yeah, around the 59. If we held here, okay. If we pull back from the 59, is not good to enter. TTOO, we have a breakout here, kind of breakout. But as well, I don't want to enter here, man. I don't like entering around the resistance here. Yeah, we have a huge pullback for many stocks. Jupiter is still holding the support. Maybe we'll enter with small position here and exit early around the 59. Nikola still have a struggle to break. Raven, we might have a pullback for Raven. We might have a huge pullback, watch out, because we started to break the trend. You see what's happening here? The first signal for breaking the trend. We'll see if we broke the 2434 is mean a pullback time for Nikola or for Raven. CVNA is pulling back. I think we were halted for a PWM. Jupiter is still holding. Yes, surprisingly is holding. Let me try to enter small position. Always enter with really small position here for Jupiter because it's really volatile, guys. If we held the 59, I will hold it, otherwise I will close this trade. Yeah, pumping 67. Okay, I'm not convinced yet until we break the 74 for a new high, or for even this 96. So as long as we hold the 59, we are good to go for a huge pump. 59, 59. Now we need the 75 for the short to cover here. Short will cover here around the 75. Yes, great. We are already 7% on this trade now. Let's ride it. Let's ride it over the 75. Jupiter started to reverse. Watch out. We might have a top gainer for today if we held the 59. NBTX, I'll wait for 843 break. TTOO, as we said, I'm not trusting this breakout. That's why we have pulled back. Not good. Okay, from all the stocks, we just have Jupiter, guys. Jupiter is only the stock that have chance for today, and HELE. See with me, guys, we took profit here once the market opened. I know it, the price will go down because we have a great pump. Many traders took profit. It was good exit for HELE. As we said, this hunt was on the after or power hour exclusive live streaming we always do here on our Discord. And we discussed the entry around the 110, profit taken around the 125, and the market open. It was really good swing trade for our 100 channel before the market closed on Friday. So now we took profit, price went down. We're gonna discuss the other levels for this one later on our Discord. You can actually join us, guys, if you want to join and get this exclusive live streams and short alert analysis, especially here that we do always. Last time we did for Tesla and Raven, mini stocks. So you can actually join us and have those exclusive alerts on our Patreon and Discord. Anyway, let's go back to Jupiter. Yeah, Jupiter is pumping. So we already entered. Right now it's 12% gain on this one. And 64 average price. And now we gonna go for a new high around the 75. So here we got a bit of resistance. You can actually take profit here if you want. I already entered with small positions, so I'll keep it. I don't care. Maybe I will take profit nearly around the 90, 95. So if you already entered with big position, I prefer to take profit here. We might have double top here and price would go down. So secure your profit. And if we broke the 75, we might have a squeeze. Huge pump if we broke the 75 for this stock. We're gonna have a huge pump, guys. Watch out. Again, not financial advice. Boom. The short have to cover right now if we broke this level. What's gonna be? Should we close? Okay, I'm gonna close here with little profit. Then I enter once again. Let me just check again. Yeah, the short added. I will give it some time. Yeah, we'll give it some time here. I'm not closing. We'll give it some time. You know what? If we held here would be good. 65. So I'm doing train stop now around the 65. And here we have a resistance. Aha. Okay, I'm gonna close the trade here before a sell-off. You see what's happened here? Double top. I'm gonna close the trade. Now we might break this level and even break the 59. I will watch right now. I will enter if we broke the 74, just in case. We took almost 5 or 6 profit on this trade because we entered around this bottom. You see, always take profit on the way. Don't trust those stocks. You are welcome, Luis. Whoa, let me just check BBIG because some of you said BBIG getting shorted. Yes, BBIG around the $2, guys. Yes, $2. The $2 is the resistance and take profit. Watch out. We might have a huge pullback now around the $2 because we already tested our level of resistance. This is it here. Let me just adjust the level, $2.08. This is where we're gonna have a huge selling pressure. Whoa, we have a huge pump for BBIG, guys. Boom, 28%. Imagine, it's just when the market opened. We held our support perfectly around the $1.60 and we pumped exactly around our resistance and we got sold off. Great hunt, Luis. Great hunt. This was a great swing trade for BBIG. Luis, you sold exactly around the resistance. Make sure next time take a profit before the resistance, okay? Yeah, BBIG was great hunt for us. And Jupiter as well. Jupiter was great hunt as well for today. We already sold, guys. We already sold this trade. If you're wondering, we already sold this trade because we spotted hidden seller here. We entered here around this bottom over the 60. It was good swing trade here. Yeah, almost 17%. But we took almost 10%, so it's good. Now we're still holding the support. So we'll see Jupiter what's going to happen for Jupiter. NBTX doesn't do any good today. We got shorted for mini stocks, man. Yeah, mini stock got shorted. Raven, man. Raven broke the support. Watch out. Time to short Raven. Time to short Raven. We broke the support. We broke the pattern. This is not usual for Raven. So we got just one support left to hold for Raven. Otherwise, a huge sell-off for this week for Raven. We're gonna give all the profit that we did. So watch out, 23 should be the bottom. Huge seller came in for Raven. What else we got? Nikola, not ready for today because we got rejected. This is the top gainer that we hunt from the last power hour. It was a really great hunt on our hunter channel here on Discord. Again, great hunt for our hunter and power hour that we always do on Friday. Always exclusively here on our Discord and Patreon. What else we got? AI, Lucid. Lucid is dumped down from our resistance. AI, oh man, is about to break the pattern. TMC, whoa, 12%. TMC getting inside the profit taken unresistant. This one is really strong stock. This one is strong, guys. TMC looking promising. Let me just check Mara. Mara doing all right, not bad. Really not bad here. Not bad. We might have a continuation for Mara. But the trend is kind of chubby. It's not stable. BBIG, man, BBIG got shorted. I'm watching BBIG for a break from the $2.08. We might have an entry. Jupiter we already exited from it, so I'll prepare another trade for BBIG because this is unusual. We did 25% or 28% in just few seconds and we got shorted. So BBIG, I'm watching it closely. I will put it with the unicorn stock because it might actually pump later on. If it pumped after our live streaming, watch out, we're gonna do a day trade chart analysis like what we did before and BTI at Hunt when it got shorted around the second profit taking. So we have to do chart analysis update if we broke the $2 after the live streaming. So stay tuned for chart analysis update for BBIG. We're gonna do mini alert today, guys. Mini alert for many stocks because I can't sense it. Today, Monday, we have volatile market and we have a trend breaking for many stocks. Many stocks been bullish in few weeks, now turn into bearish. Many stocks been in a bearish few months even, like BBIG, and now turn to bullish. So there is a changing in the game plan for many stocks. So we have to change and adapt for this change. If you don't change with the environment, man, you'll be left behind. You have to be flexible, you know. If there's no water, you have to move, go to another country, there's water. Move with the environment. Don't complain. If there is no rain, go to another planet or go to another, I don't know, like continent. No complaining here. Always be adjustable. Same. The stocks, you can actually control stocks. You can control what happened in the market, but you adapt. If the market is bearish, you just short. If the market is bullish, you just long. But easy said than done. You have to know when the wind change, you know. So Jupiter is still looking good for a swing and trade because we inside this accumulation channel. If we broke the 60 cent, I will not touch it. Otherwise, I'm gonna short it. If we held, we might have a re-entry for another pump. BBIG, whoa. BBIG is pumping. Let me just check if we could enter here for BBIG trade because we have a new high. Okay, BBIG is pumping. Let me just check if we have an entry. Okay, perfect. BBIG is pumping, guys. It's squeezing toward the $2.59. Let's see a continuation, $2.28. Great. Okay, we have an entry here. Let's see a continuation, $2.59. And let me just check where we're gonna go. Yeah, we have a stop loss around the $2.08. If we have a pullback, I'm gonna close my trade. Otherwise, I'm gonna have a continuation and hold this trade. Let's see what the market will give us here for BBIG. $2.59. We need another kick. We don't want to have a fake out here. Okay. 2017. Don't do this, BBIG. Don't do this on me. Yeah, $2.23. Another kick. Give us another kick. BBIG $2.26. Yes. Another kick. Yeah, $2.28. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna take a profit before I get hammered here. Yeah, watch out, guys. Take a profit here. Some people take a profit. Aha, we have a bit light volume and this breakout. We might have a hidden seller, but the seller is running away because we're still holding the $2.08. Yes, let's see a continuation here. Okay, take profit here. I'm trying to enter if we're still holding. Okay, still holding. Perfect. Continuation. As we said, as long as we hold the $2.08, we are good to go toward the $2.59. But we have a bit of struggle, man, here. Why? Why we have a struggle here? Anyway, Jupiter is still not ready yet. CVNA as well. We got Raven, not ready. Nicolas, not ready. This one started to pump once again. TMC. And BBIG is still pumping, man. This one going to the moon. This one is going to the moon. Yeah, BBIG hunt. Okay, watch out. We have a bit of selling pressure here. So we're already exited from BBIG. We already exited from Jupiter. We already exited from HELE. Good trade, guys. Good trade for all of them. We have a good green day today. Huge green day. Anyway, now I will be on the sideline, guys. I'm on sideline. I'm watching for another opportunity. Luis, yay! Finally, Luis. You are welcome, brother. TTOO, yes, but I'm not convinced yet for TTOO. I don't trust this trade, man. I don't trust it. That's why I don't enter for this one, because we have here a selling pressure. So yeah, this one, if you want to risk it, you can actually buy, but this is the stop loss, the 13. If you enter, just be willing to lose at least 11% or 10%. If you don't want to lose 10%, then don't think about making 50%, because this trade is 50 to 10%. You lose 10%, you win 50%. If you're not willing to lose 10%, then never imagine to make 50%. This is how I see it for any trade. I just comprehend or accept the loss before I enter. However, if I enter a trade, I will see at least 3 to 1 or 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Otherwise, I will never enter. If you want to lose the same amount of you win, if you take it by statistic, if you like have risk to reward ratio, let's say if you win at least 5 trade and you win 5 trade, is not good. The good trader win 1 or 2 and lose even 10, he end up in green. You know why? Because always he take trade that have higher profit taken and smaller stop loss. So even if I lost, let's say I will tell you my win ratio is 20% or 30%, you say you lose the money. No, I just manage my trade. When I win big. If I lose, I will lose small. So win ratio is not actually think that you actually put it as a trader is good or bad. Some traders have even 60 or 70 win ratio, but they end up losing money or they breaking even, because they don't know how to choose the right trade or how to calculate the win, the risk to reward ratio, you know. So don't say you have to have win ratio high in order to be profitable trader. No, even 30% is good if you know when you take profits for any trade and maximize the profit every time. MULN is pumping. Some of you said MULN is pumping. Yes, MULN is pumping right now. Whoa, yes, pumping from the breakout zone. Let me just check if we can enter for MULN. Yeah, MULN looking good. Let me just check if we have a huge seller here. Let me just go in smaller picture. I see a support. Yeah, we might have a pullback, so I will be extremely careful here on this breakout. I don't trust the breakout lately, so we might have a huge pullback, and this is make us lose the gain that we already did. So I'm not entering yet for MULN. I will wait until we have a pullback. BBIG pullback. Jupiter, whoa, broke the support. That's why we exited. Good, guys. We entered here. We exited around this breakout or around the resistance. Price didn't hold. That's why we exited with almost 10% profit, and price went down, broke the support. You see, always take profit before the resistance. That's why I always suggest don't be greedy, take profit. And if the price broke, enter once again. Easy. Don't feel FOMO. Always protect your profit. And you see, if you hold, the trade will, from winner, will turn to loser if you just hold. So now the price broke the support, and not good to enter right now. This one, no. TTOO, no. So now I have kind of one glance on each stock, and I see it's good or not. So I don't bother myself trading any stock. Just I see the setup in few seconds if it's good to enter or not. And this is make it easier for me to just scan thousands of stocks daily, man. It's really hard because when you have too many options, you have to be really expert on deleting, not taking or finding stock. No, the skill here for any good trader is how to delete stocks and just narrow down few stocks. This is really hard, man. Really hard. But when you get used to it, it's make it easier for you to glance, just glance, good or bad. If it's good, you stay on it and see the levels. If it's not, just delete it. Don't look at it. Don't look twice. PRTQ, PRTYQ, we have a breakout. Watch out. MULN, you see, we have a pullback. That's why I didn't enter. I don't trust this breakout. PRTYQ as well. I don't trust this one yet. Yeah. This one could be a huge runner because we might do almost 40% here. However, the pullback will be really hard if we actually pull back on this stock. Let me just prepare PRTQ because this one could be a runner. Aha, I don't have it. Perfect. Then I will never trade it. CSTL, nope. VROM, nope. So yeah, we don't have many stock to watch. Yeah, TMC finally got rejected. As we said, this is the resistance. That's why we pull him back. Let me just check if we got a support for TMC. Let me update the level for TMC and put that here. Perfect. TMC looking good. What else we got here? CVNA, not good now. I will watch for a break, then I enter. Yeah. Guys, we are in the sideline right now. I'm not entering in any stock now. I'm watching. It's good to watch. Sometimes it's good to watch and never trade. Destiny, as we said, you have to take profit. We saw the resistance. You should exit fast for Jupiter. Here, around the 74. We should have took profit here. You entered a bit late around this one, yeah. Around the 70. We entered here around the 65. So yeah, you entered a bit late. Anyway, we said here there is the potential double top. That's why we suggest to take profit. We exited. Price went down. Now we have a support Destiny around the 46. We should have a reversal. Otherwise, game over for Jupiter for today. For BBIG, still holding this breakout, the $2.08. So we might have another trade for BBIG because we're still holding here. So let me just check if we could enter for BBIG. Yeah, maybe we entered here. Let's see. Okay, we have the $2.08 still our support. We'll see if we have a continuation. Okay, we don't have any trade now except for BBIG. Yeah, and maybe CVNA, guys, maybe CVNA will be a good trade for today if we broke the 29.82. Let me just check the other stocks. Raven going toward our support. Tesla pulling back as well, going back to 264. XPEV, we have a pullback for the market. Pullback. NEO up. INTC, nope. DKNG is breaking out. Whoa, what's going on with DKNG, everybody? What's going on? We have news, we have something. I think DKNG is doing something drastic. PayPal doing all right. So yeah, we got DKNG, maybe. Amazon broke the support. Palantir, not good for today. AMD as well. Microvision, nope. PayPal, yeah. So we have DKNG, maybe we have an entry for DKNG here. Maybe we got trade here. Maybe we got a trade on our hand. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's see if we have an support there. Okay, let me just check how much we risk for this trade if we entered. Yeah, 3% for DKNG. 3%. Okay, let me just go back and see BBIG. Whoa, BBIG is still pumping. BBIG is still pumping. We might see the $2.59 now. Let me just put DKNG here and see VNA because those two looking good for today. What else we got? BDTX. BBIG got shorted, I think, for good. Yeah, huge seller, man, here. Huge seller here. I'm still watching if we got something to swing. It needs something to swing. You see PRTQ got shorted again. MULN. MULN. Now we got something for MULN. Now we got something, guys, for MULN. Let me just check. Yeah, we have support here. Maybe we see the 25 now. So I will put MULN with the other stock that we might hunt. So we have 4 stocks to watch right now. BBIG, DKNG, CVNA, and MULN. So BBIG is about to break and going toward the $2.59 if we hold the $2.08. I will watch BBIG. As long as we hold the $2.08 is good for a continuation toward the $2.59. DKNG, we might have a pullback now. We'll give it time. DKNG. What else we got here? No, okay. CVNA. Whoa, CVNA, man. CVNA is pumping. CVNA is pumping. CVNA is pumping good. Yeah, CVNA is pumping, guys. Watch out. CVNA is pumping. CVNA to the moon. BBIG is still holding. DKNG. CVNA is good. And MULN, both of them is good. CVNA and MULN looking good. CVNA is pumping, guys. CVNA is pumping. We might have the 34 for today. Yeah, we might have the 34. BBIG still have a struggle here around this week. Yeah, here. If we broke it, we're gonna have a pump toward the $2.59. MULN still pumping. Yeah, DKNG, man. CVNA, guys. CVNA is pumping. CVNA is going to the moon. I think we're gonna go to the moon today for CVNA. 5%. Okay. MULN. You know what? I don't trust this one. Okay, I will put MULN because it's pumping now. Boom. This one I'm gonna close it really soon because I don't trust BBIG. It's kind of holding here, it's dead. And yeah, I'm gonna close it breaking even, man. I don't trust it here. Let me just give it a bit of time. CVNA is pumping. BBIG, I don't trust it because it's holding here. I'm gonna close it, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. I don't trust BBIG at this level. Okay, I close it. CVNA and MULN. MULN have a bit of pullback, and CVNA, let me just check. DKNG looking good. CVNA looking good as well for a continuation. Let's see DKNG. DKNG looking good as well. Yeah, CVNA, guys, CVNA is looking really juicy for a continuation. Yes, CVNA is to the moon, man. This one mean business. Let me just check CVNA closely. Yeah, it's pumping. Yeah, it's pumping really good. $31. Yeah, CVNA looking good, man. You see what's happened? BBIG went down. That's why we close it. MULN as well. So yeah, DKNG now. DKNG maybe would be a good trade. Whoa, CVNA, as we said, we have a breakout from the 2982. Great breakout is going toward the 3446. Man, we don't have any red candle. No red candle so far. Yeah, MULN still holding. DKNG is kind of slow. CVNA is much stronger. Yeah, finally we have a bit of pullback, maybe. No pullback, no red candle yet for CVNA. This is madness, man. This is madness for CVNA. MULN still holding. BBIG, if we broke the $2.08, we might have a flush down. That's why we exited breaking even. Here, we exited here. I don't like BBIG, man. I told you guys, I don't trust it here. Here, and this level. I said I don't trust it because we should have actually went here, $2.59. I know, guys. I don't like to say I should have, I could have, I would have, but just saying here for educational purposes, you know, just in case. CVNA is still pumping. MULN still holding the 20. So we might have a continuation for this stock. So as we said, guys, we don't have. Maybe TTOO is ready now to pump. Yeah, because we have a bit of hold up here. Yeah, TTOO is ready to pump now. The other stock, let me just check. Yeah, we got some reversal now for many stocks. Holy moly, CVNA. What's going on with CVNA? You see, BBIG broke the support. I think the best trade right now is CVNA. There is no pulling back. MOB. Let me just check this one. Okay, yes, but still consolidating sideways after this pump. MULN maybe will be good entry here. CVNA, we waiting for a pullback. It's kind of dangerous here to enter. BBIG broke the support. DKNG strolling. Yeah, MULN. So we don't have any trade open now. We close MULN trade. We close Jupiter trade. This one, maybe MULN. We open it once again here. Let me just check if we could enter MULN. If we broke this level, the 21, we'll see. CVNA started to reverse. Okay, MOB. One of you said we should look MOB. Yes, is top gainer, but it's risky, brother. It's risky. You see, I don't trust the support here to hold the support. We might have a huge pullback. Yeah, we might have a huge pump 50, but we might lose 50%. That's why I didn't look for this one, because it's really volatile, and we don't have an precise breakout. But yeah, around the $3.35 maybe. But this one is risky, guys. This risky. That's why I didn't watch it. That's why I didn't watch it later or before. However, if you like risky trade, yes, we might trade this one after we break the $3.35. Otherwise, I will not enter right now on this accumulation. This gambling. CVNA is still kicking. Still kicking here. You are welcome, Jonathan. Yeah, we have to be really fast for spotting the breakout for many stocks and reversal, because if we don't, we're gonna lose the chance for entry. NEO started to pump, unusual pump actually for NEO, because the other what's called the other stocks on the IV sector are still down. I'm watching PayPal closely because we might have a breakout, so that's why I put DKNG and PayPal first for a hunt later on. MOB is still not ready to pump. MULN is not ready. That's why we didn't enter yet. CVNA, we might have a pump right now. Yes, right now. Let me just check. Man, let me just check the level 2 here for for CVNA. If we kick once again over the 32, we might see the 34. Otherwise, pull back. Yeah, pull back. We might have a pullback. First pullback here. I will be ready to enter for this pullback because CVNA looking really strong now. Maybe around the 30.45 would be good. Guys, plus the like button on the way in. We have almost 200 people watching. Come on, guys. This is I can't comprehend this. Come on. Let's hit the like button. Let's hit the 100. We need 100 today. Pull back for CVNA. MULN still holding the support. Let me just bring this here and check if we're gonna hold that. Okay. Let's see. We got some levels for MULN. First level to hold is the 20. We might have a huge kick for MULN right now. Let me just check how much we can lose on this trade. 3%. Okay, let me just check if we enter right now. And we risk 3%. If we enter right now, we risk 3% on 18% gain. So yeah, 3 to almost 4. I don't want to use my mind to think. I can just use this and see how much we lose and how much we risk. Yeah, 5 to 1. Risk ratio is 5 to 1. If we enter right now, 5 to 1. You risk 1 and you win 5. Simple as that. Let me just try to enter right now. Yeah, perfect. MULN is pumping. We calculate our risk. We saw our support. We saw our profit taken. And now we'll see if we have a break from the 21 for a continuation here. CVNA, MOB, oh man, MOB try to break the $3.35, but I don't trust this stock, as we said. CVNA, okay, DKNG, man, DKNG is ready maybe to pump here. I will see DKNG trade. Let me just check in the big picture. Yeah, DKNG looking good, man. Look at that. Look at this beautiful trend, man. Look at this beautiful trend. Okay, maybe it's good here. Okay, maybe it's good. Let's see and have an entry here. Let's see if we hold. We need a kick here, man. Yeah, 28.10. We need a kick. We need a kick here. Kind of have a breakout here. Okay. Let's see a hold up here. BBIG, not good, man. CVNA accumulating. MULN breaking. MULN, great. Already enter for MULN, and now we are in the money to see another continuation for MULN. MOB not good, so I put MULN first and DKNG second. Yeah, DKNG is breaking, guys. DKNG is breaking. MULN, okay, we have a breakout. Now we might test the breakout and continue higher, so I'll give it time. DKNG is pumping. Let's see a continuation for DKNG. This one could go toward the 30, guys. DKNG could go toward the 30. $30, now it's 28.20. Okay, MULN is pumping. MULN is pumping. We are almost 3% on this trade. 3% now. Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe I will take profit here first, just in case. We might have pullback here, just in case, around the 23. Okay, DKNG is still pumping. Let's see a continuation for DKNG for today. MULN, we need the 23 cent before a pullback. 23 cent. 23 cents for MULN. 14% right now. 191 million. 191 million. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. CVNA reversal. Whoa. What a crazy day today. What a crazy day. DKNG. Come on. We need a continuation here. Come on. Don't pull back on me. We don't need a pullback. Maybe we're gonna take profit here on the 28.77. Ah, come on, don't do that. Don't do that. No, yes, go. It's not time for pulling back, man. It's time to pump here. Pull back around the 23 cents. This is a reasonable price to pull back at. Okay, now we are 4%. And this trade, 4%, guys, 4%. Let's go, like Louis said, let's go MULN. DKNG, come on, we need another pump for DKNG. We need another pump for DKNG. Where's the pull? Where's the pulls? Yeah, we have a huge resistance for MULN. MULN, DKNG, the same bot who buying MULN, buying DKNG. Okay, now we are almost 5% on this trade. Not bad, not bad. I will put train stop for MULN. I will put train stop. So I don't want to lose any profit for today. We try to make a challenge, guys. We did almost 5 trades and all of them are profit. So we have to have a challenge for today. No losing trade for today. So the trick is doing trailing stop. Trailing stop for each stock. So MULN, I have a trailing stop around the 21.85. If we held it, we're gonna have a continuation. If we close here, I'm gonna close the trade here. Just in case. Yeah, it's not good. I'm gonna close the trade. So we have a bit of pullback. So we want to protect the profit. So boom, we exited from the trade. Tombi, like when we said in French, tombi is mean bad luck. Okay, you see, it's good and bad doing trailing stop. This is a good example, guys. Doing trailing stop, you end up taking profit and bigger profit and always be on the green side. However, sometimes you have this fake out, you see? You exit from the trade early. So it's not perfect, but it's good in order to protect profit and maximize your gain and never feel FOMO to enter once again on the top. But in this situation, we exit from the trade early because the support is here, you see? The support is here. The support around the 21.43. So we exit from the trade. I don't trust it. That's why we took profit, small profit, but we don't bother because profit is profit. I don't care. DKNG now, we're watching DKNG for a continuation. Luis, welcome, brother. Welcome, brother, for our hunt for today. Welcome, welcome, brother, for the hunt for today. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Really appreciate your gift. Wait a second. Let me just check DKNG. What's going on with DKNG? Why are we pulling back here? This is normal. Let me just check MULN. Yeah, MULN is pulling back. That's why we exited. You see what's happened, guys, here? We exited with small profit, but it's good. You see? Because if we don't exit it here, the price actually went and tested our support and now push up once again. Okay, Luis, welcome, brother, welcome. Okay. I'm watching DKNG closely around the 28.17. Okay. MULN. Whoa, MULN got shorted big time here. Yeah, got shorted big time. DKNG still holding. MOB, CVNA pulling back. Okay, now we have to watch out to never be greedy. Over greed, not good. John, PEXNY. Wow, man, this is a long ticker name, man. This is a long name of the ticker. PEXNY. What is that, man? 60% low volume is not good, John. It's not good at all. I can't trade this one. This one is gambling. 1-on-1. It's not good. Thank you, Luis. Have a nice day, brother. Jean Friedman, what's the word in French for no patience? It's really easy, man. C'est il n'y a pas la passion. Oui, passion. Il n'y a pas la passion. There is no patience. So if you don't know a word in French, just Frenchize it. This is the trick I learned by learning French really quickly, by taking any like English word and make it French. So patience in English, in French is passion. So you have to make the spelling from English and change it to French. Confident or confidence is confiance. You see, you have to French the word. We have a lot of words, like in English you can just French it, make it a French word, you know, just by changing the spelling. Incompatient. Ouais, I forget this one. J'ai oublié ça. Incompatient. Exactement. Good one, Roberto. Good one. Of course, John, TTOO and GRR, I will do a check right now. Okay, let me just check TTOO. John, still TTOO, I'm waiting for a breakout around the 1587. But, as I said, I don't have confiance or confident with this stock because I don't trust the resistance here around the 1587, because we might break it and then get rejected even before the 70. So watch out just for the 1587. If you want to trade it and risk, okay, do this trade. Just watch out for the break around the 16, then would be a good entry. But as I said, I don't trust this stock once again. And wait until we break the 1781 for a confirmation for a really good squeeze around the 22. The support if you want to trade this one, just be willing to lose this position here around the 13 cent. If we broke the 13 cent, it's not good. Close the trade is mean a sell-off. If we held, is mean a continuation up. Simple as that. The other one we have to watch is GRRR. What's gonna happen? Yeah, it's breaking, and now is about to squeeze from the $5.73. This one might be a great trade right now if we broke the $5.69. Yeah, GRRR is about to break this resistance. MULN, yeah, pulling back. That's why we exited. DKNG, what's going on? Yeah, it's still pumping. MOB, CVNA, yeah, yes. So DKNG is still pumping and looking for a continuation. Let me just check here. MULN still holding our support. LF Williams, thank you for watching, brother. Guys, press the like button on the way in. We almost 100 likes. Let's hit the 150 for today. I think we can do it. 150. Cynthia, where you live first? Which country you live in? Are you in the United States or Europe? Aha, we have a good advice about doing all right. Doing all right. Yes, maybe we have another entry for right. And yeah, we have right, guys. Right is pumping 3% today, but is have a shabby trade here, man. As we said, for right, we have the 1427. We might have a squeeze once we break the 1684. Mara is kind of yeah, we have right and the Mara have the same trend. It's really shabby. It's not consistent. We don't have a consistent trade here. Yeah, GRRR is about to break. I'm watching this one closely. BBIG got shorted. I don't like BBIG now. I don't like that trade now. However, I will lower it here, so we have a bit of support here. If we want to have a continuation, maybe we have to update the trend. CVNA still holding. MOB got shorted. As well as we said, it's not good to enter. DKNG got shorted. MULN is about to pump. What's going on with DKNG? Oh man, let me just check if we hold here. And the 2818. DKNG is not like CVNA. CVNA have more action. Yeah, CVNA have better action. We got many stocks, man. We got many stocks to watch. Many stocks. It's not just one. It's really hard to keep up, you know. We have to focus on few. This is sometimes it's really rare to have this kind of market. Everything's pumping and everything's about to break out. That's why I'm trying to keep my watch list really small. And remember, guys, any stock in the lower list here is about to break or is already broken and is really bullish. So MULN is really bullish. DKNG, we'll watch if we broke here. I don't like this reaction. We need to hold this pattern. We have to reverse right now for DKNG. So for CVNA is about to squeeze here. BBIG, nope. GRRR, man, is about to squeeze. Oh, TTOO squeezed. TTOO squeezed right now. We have a breakout. We have a profit taken here. Yeah, the market is crazy today. I'm telling you. This is not normal. What's going on with DKNG, man? What's going on? Yeah, we have to pump here. This is not normal. What's going on here, man? What's going on? We should have a pump. This is really critical. Really, really critical. We should have a reversal right now. This is the sound of the heart beating. Yes, 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 of course. We'll pump down. Now we got some reaction from the market. CVNA is about to squeeze. Once again from the 3262. Yeah, DKNG broke once again. We have a weakness here. CVNA looking good. If we broke here, we'll be good. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, looking good here. Yeah, looking good. Maybe continuation. Now, continuation. Come on. 32.86. We need a pump. Yeah, 33.09. Good. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What a crazy stock, man. Pump, 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 pump. Yes. Let's go, CVNA. It's really pumping. Anyway. GRRR is pumping, is critically pumping now. Man, this one is crazy. GRRR, I don't have it. Good. I don't have it, brother. I don't have it. So we'll let it go. PBIG and MULN, TKNG, CVNA is pulling back. Exactly. French Canadian. Okay, so why you don't have? Okay, just use this. I will give you. Okay, so Cynthia, just try this broker Momo. It's good compared to your broker. Let me know if it works with you. Okay, let me just put it here. Perfect. GRR got halted. Yes. Got halted. We might go toward the $7.35 for this one. Okay. Okay, then if it doesn't work in Canada at Momo, try trading 212. You might actually have access for this one. So try two of those. If Momo doesn't work in Canada, just try trading 212. Hopefully you hear me, Cynthia. Let me know if you got what if I got your question right. Great. Roberto, how to become US citizens? Great. Perfect. So we got TTOO is breaking our resistance. Now it's pumping. TTOO. GRR is halted around the $6.29. CVNA is kind of bouncing from this support. DKNG is still holding here. MULN pulling back even from this support. So yeah, we have just the 19 for MULN to hold. Guys, press the like button and the way in. Let's hit the 100 mark for today. Let's do it. Perfect. And remember, we always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. So if you come late for today, make sure to come early next time around 3 p.m. CET. And of course, we're gonna do short analysis update here on our Discord. Day trade or swing trade. Last swing trade we did, it was for Raven when we hunted here around the $16. It was back on the 29th of June. It was the biggest gain here for swing trade, one of the best trade actually for this month or the last month. And of course we do day trade as well. Day trade, what does mean day trade? It mean like MULN. We don't hold it overnight. It's swing trade, like boom, buy, sell. This is day trade. Swing trade, you hold it overnight. And the swing trade that we did last time, it was HELE. Today, 15%, and we hunted for this one on the power hour. Yes, power hour, we hunted this one on the 7th of July on Friday before the market closed. It was a great hunt for HALE. And we hunted this one around the 110. This was the support. Profit taking was around the 125, and we took the profit here when the market opened because we said the price will go down. Many trader would take profit, so the profit taken actually triggered, and a lot of hunters actually took profit, and the price went down. So where we actually discussed HLE, yeah, this one was really great trade, man. I really like the trend, and we expected the good earnings. The good earnings come, and we hit our profit taking. So yeah, the support, as we said, the 110, and we expected the price to actually pumped. Yeah, here. Profit taking, we said 125. Yes, here. Perfect. 125, and the entry was around the 110. We close it today when the market opened. Perfect hunt for our hunters. And if you're wondering what's happened, you don't get the power hour on YouTube. This is exclusive here on our Patreon. So if you are a hunter with us on Patreon or Discord, you can actually get access to each Friday. We do power hour, just Friday. We might do it at least twice a week or each day, hopefully in the coming years or coming months, because we got many requests for that. However, each Friday is good because we hunt for swing trade, like this one was for earnings. We hunt for cryptos, day trade, whatever, and do Q&A, of course, for many of requested stocks. So join us if you want to join. The link in comment section below and in the live chat section. Okay, let me just go to GRR. Yeah, got unhalted, still around the $6.18. This one is pulling back now. John Friedman, yes, the 10 cent for IDX, exactly. Destiny, what's the swing trade for this week? Great question. Great question from Destiny. We're gonna put it here on this swing trade. Last time we did for Raven and Tesla, and now we're gonna do it. I will check the market and we're gonna do update here on swing trade. Dave, no, we didn't cover SIEN yet. Guys, we almost 100 likes. Come on. We need 100. We're missing just 2 people. SIEN. SIEN. Wow. Light volume, but we getting near the profit taking, the $4.83. Not bad. We have a breakout from the $3.53 as we discussed before. So yeah, this one looking good, guys. This one looking good. This one I trust, kind of. Yeah, this one looking good. We have $3.50 as a support. Profit taking is getting near right now. I think we halted now, or the volume is light because it's not moving. Around the $4.35, $4.83 is the profit, man. Profit taking. Then we got $5.90. Then if we got lucky, $8. Yeah, this one looking pretty nice, man. MULN, it's kind of looking dicey here, brother. We're looking dicey, brother. Looking dicey. Looking dicey. Looking dicey. Whoa, DKNG. Whoa, what a reversal. CVNA, what a reversal for CVNA as well. Man, what a crazy pump for CVNA. Boom. I think we're gonna go toward the 34, 46. Yeah, DKNG looking good. We have our reversal here. Nice, man. Patience, PC, patience pays. CVNA going to our profit taken. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow, John, this is the first time, yeah, you forget to like our live streaming. That's why we have to remind everybody to like. Let's go. We have to have a pump for CVNA, otherwise we have a dump. Yeah, for this one and that one we have a resistance here, support there. CVNA got shorted here. Let's see if we're gonna hold. TTO, man, got shorted. BBIG, Jupiter. What's going on here? Let's go. Okay, I will keep it on CVNA. I'm gonna fill the holy water and come back in a few seconds. I'm back. We need another pump for CVNA 34. Okay. We just got 5 minutes for another 5-minute push for the market. Another 5-minute push. Whoa. CVNA is kicking, man. What's going on here? CVNA is kicking. What's going on here? What the hell, man? What is going on, everybody? Yes, exactly. Big bank on CVNA today, man. We need another kick. Come on, CVNA. Ah. يا راجل. Anyway. GRR have a bit of resistance here. Yeah, CVNA looking really promising. Really promising here. Yeah, shorted. As we said, 34 was the profit taken for CVNA, was a great hunt for CVNA, and now is time to push back. DKNG, on the other hand, we might have a continuation. MULN pulling back, SIEN not good now. GRR no, TTOO. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap up for our live streaming for today, because the market is pulling back. No worries. Yes, we're gonna do updates later on around the 8 p.m. CET, and of course we're gonna do update here on our swing trade and day trade. We got great question from you guys about swing trade for this week. We're gonna put a swing trade as usual here on our Discord and Patreon after we finish our live streaming, like we did with Raven before, and we're gonna spot another one because we spotted Raven, we spotted other one, and Power Hour HELE, which was a really good hunt and trade for this stock because it got good earnings for today and jumped from the Friday Power Hour hunt, and we did almost 18% for this trade, so it was really good trade. We hunted MULN before this rejection. We hunted BBIG, I think. Yeah, we hunted BBIG very quick. We hunted mini stocks for today, so today it was a green day for us. Not bad for today. And Raven is pulling up once again. Man, this is crazy what's happened for Raven. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Just remember, tomorrow as usual around 3 p.m. CET for our hunt, and see you later on for today for update for MULN and mini stocks. And tomorrow as usual in pre-market we're gonna do a pre-market hunt, because as usual here we have a channel for a pre-market alert where we hunt before the market open for watch list. You see here we discuss PRTQ and mini stocks, Nicola as well, every time we do pre-market update each day. So join us if you're not already with us in our Hunter channel in order to get those exclusive alert and update in the pre-market, after hours, pre-market, or after we finish our live streaming. Perfect. Okay. See you guys later on. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.